Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of scraping burnt rice off the bottom of a pot, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best rice cookers in the world. I've dropped links to all of these in the description below, so you can check out the latest prices. Let's get right into it. Coming in at number 5 is the Aroma Housewares 6-cup pot-style rice cooker. Look, if you're on a tight budget or just moving into your first apartment, this is the one. It's incredibly simple, just one switch to turn it on, and it pops up to keep warm when it's done. It even comes with a steamer basket so you can do veggies on top while your rice cooks below. It's basic, but it gets the job done without breaking the bank. At number 4, we have the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This isn't just a rice cooker. But honestly, it's so popular for making rice that it had to make the list. The beauty of the Instant Pot is the speed. Because it's a pressure cooker, you can have perfectly cooked brown rice in a fraction of the normal time. Plus, you can use it for soups, stews, and a dozen other things. If counter space is tight and you need a multitasker, this is your best bet. Moving on to number 3, the Cuckoo CR0655F. Now we're stepping up into the smart cookers. Cuckoo is a massive brand in Korea, and this model uses Micom technology, which basically means it has a microchip that adjusts the temperature as it cooks. The result? Way better rice texture. It has a bunch of menu options for different rice grains, and the non-stick pot is super easy to clean. It's a great mid-range option if you want better rice without spending a fortune. Runner-up at number 2 is the Tiger JBVA10U. Tiger is a legendary Japanese brand, and this cooker is built sturdily. What I really love about this one is the Tacook plate. You can literally put your raw chicken and veggies in the top tray, rice and water in the bottom, hit one button, and your entire dinner cooks at the same time without the flavors mixing. It's a total game changer for lazy weeknight dinners. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Zojirushi Neuro fuzzy rice cooker. If you take your rice seriously, this is the holy grail. It uses advanced fuzzy logic to actually think and adjust the cooking time and heat based on how the rice is doing. Whether you're making sushi rice, brown rice, or just standard white rice, it comes out absolutely flawless every single time. It's an investment, but if you eat rice regularly, it is worth every single penny. And that is my list of the best rice cookers in the world today. Let me know in the comments which one you're picking up. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if this helped you out. Make sure to check the Amazon links in the description below for the best deals on the rice cookers featured in this links. Thanks for watching and happy rice cooking. See you in the next video.